Guys, we've just arrived here at Queen Street, Edinburgh Travelodge. I'm going to do a quick room tour. So this is the toilet. That's a nice shower curtain, isn't it? Nice mirror. Hi. Our door's there. We've got some pillows and extra coat hangers just in case. TV. Double bed. The thing I like about this hotel is they've got USBs at the side of your bed.
Instead of sofa?
Yep. That's a nice chair, isn't it? Excuse my bag on it. Nice chair. But we've also got a nice mirror here. Our view isn't as much.
It'll do.
That'll do. And a nice kettle, which is quite nice with a nice wee desk. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Nice and clean. If you are coming here, guys, the hotel is under renovations at the minute. So the hotel's currently getting the paint and a job done. So if you're coming here, please be aware of that. And some towels as well. So we'll speak to you very soon. Bye.